Hi boys and girls. For this page, you're going to describe the setting. Now that you've learned a little bit more about the setting and how to describe it, and you've heard your next chapter out of the Young Cam Jansen, you're going to use this page to show your teacher what you know. So you are going to fill in each box to describe the setting. Remember, good readers always go back to the text if they need to. So if you need to go back to the story, go back to that activity on your list to help you fill in this page. In this box, this is where you're just going to illustrate the setting. Remember, illustrate is just a fancy word for draw a picture. In this box, you're going to describe where the story takes place. In this box, you're going to tell when the story is taking place. Below your picture in this box, you're going to describe using words what the setting looks like. And if you're really feeling like you're awesome and you want to impress your teacher, the box with the star down here at the bottom, this is where you can tell how the setting affects the story. Remember, this box is optional, so if it's a little tricky for you, you don't have to do it. It's okay. Good luck!